G'day, welcome back. So as you saw, had a little bit of an incident with the Golf today. Driving out, going swimming. We were going swimming. So flying out of town, changed from 4th to 5th. Felt like I'd done a big money shift. Huge amount of noise. Clunking, clanging, lost all drive. Pulled over, no go. You heard the noise, doesn't sound good. Had a look at the side of the road. I figured out what it was. I'll show you what it was. We got towed home. Pretty average. Well, service is great when they turn up. It takes forever to get them out. But oh well. So I'll show you what it is. See if we can get it fixed, and we'll go from there. Right. So it's fairly obvious the bolts have come out of this drive set, this inner CV joint. It holds it onto the output flange of the gearbox. Somehow all 6 bolts have worked loose and come out. I've still got at least 3 of the bolts didn't disappear completely, but obviously we need a bit of a plan to fix it up and stop it happening again. So I'm going to give this a bit of a clean up. We're going to run a tap through each of these holes, make sure they're all good, and we'll put some new bolts in with Loctite. Make sure they're all good on tight, and also check the drive shaft on the other side, make sure they're all tight as well. I'll give you some updates along the way. Right, so we're looking pretty good apart from we got one broken bolt in the hub flange there. Shouldn't be a big deal. Should be able to get it out with our left-handed drill bits. It's a technique I learned from Bodgett and Leggett Garage. He's the #1 Bodgett and Leggett technician on the internet. So we'll drill it out. Probably can't show you. There's not a lot of room in here. I'll drill it out, retap it, go from there. So there's our broken bit of bolt. Managed to get it out. Ended up drilling right through the middle and twisting it out with the instructor. There's our final fix. New bolts, everything's nice and clean. Loctite's on there, they're all good and tight. I checked the other side, they were all still tight, so I'm not sure what happened this side. Probably too many beersies. Just need to take it for a test drive. Right, here we go. Let's see if we fixed it. The noise is gone. So we shimmy around the road. We can drive now. Say it was fixed. Ever since I hit this phone with an axe, it doesn't want to focus too well, so sorry about that. But yeah, but well, it works, no extra noises, source seems to work pretty well. So we'll call that a fix. Hopefully it won't fall out again.